Can GoDaddy quarantine? Yes, GoDaddy offers quarantine features through its email services and website security plans. These features help detect, isolate, and manage malicious emails, files, and infected website content. First, email quarantine in GoDaddy email services. GoDaddy's email security plans and Microsoft 365 email include email quarantine features that isolate spam, phishing, and malicious emails. How to access quarantined emails. Step 1. Log in to GoDaddy Webmail. Visit webmail.godaddy.com and sign in to your account. Step 2. Access email security settings. Open your Microsoft 365 dashboard or email settings in GoDaddy. Step 3. Check the quarantine folder. Navigate to email security greater than quarantine. Step 4. Manage quarantined emails review. Emails. Check for flagged messages. Action options release, delete, or mark as safe based on your preferences. 2. Website security quarantine. GoDaddy's website security plans offer malware detection and quarantine services to isolate harmful files from your website. How to manage quarantined files. Step 1. Log in to GoDaddy account. Visit godaddy.com and sign in. Step 2. Access website security and backups. Go to My Products. Website security and backups. Step 3. Review threat logs. Select the relevant website security plan and open the threat report. Step 4. Quarantine and take action. View. Quarantined files. Review isolated files in the security dashboard. Choose action, restore, delete, or clean up files as needed.